if I want to know if you are a modern Python developer or not, so I first ask you about match case statement. Okay. I will be in this edition Python which was added in 3.0 and onwards. Okay. And match case didn't make Python quite powerful. Let's move to the computer screen and have a look on what is the match case features introduced to improve Python. And so now let's get started. So if you use Python default REPL in Replit, so of you is recording this video, so I will be right like import OS. In between the Python version will be updated in REPL by the time, and now here we can write import OS, and here we can write the print hello world form, and now here we can write like dot, and now here we will be space it, and now here we can write like os.system, and now here we can write like os.system python /version. So now here we can write like that, and now but if you look for Python version in Replit, let me run Python version running old REPL in shell. Also we can, and I will be tell you in next class on that. I will not tell you in this class. Okay. So get ready. So now and look, as I create a REPL, and now I will be go to the here. So now let's start to write the code. So now we can run it. So it is coming like the Python 3 main.py hello world form Python 3.0 it is coming like that. And now here we can read these things out. Here we can see it. We will read these things out like easily. So now I will be, first of all, what we can do, I will be go to the here, and now I will be match statement. So I will be go here, and I will be copy it, and I will be paste it. So now here you can see it. It's simply simple. It is case 4. I'm simpling the program. And then here you can see it easily. So I will be write like all things for you. You will be understand it that all things, and the output will be here is coming. And now I'll be like erase it, and now here we can like erase it. But I will be write it. So now here we can write like x should be int should be input should be enter the value of x, and now here we can write like enter match x, and now here we can write like if x is 0, and now I will be give him the comment, and now here we can enter press, and now here we can write like case 0 or print, and then print should be x is 0, and now here we can go to the here, and I will be made it the comment like hashtag case with if condition, and now here we can write like enter press, and now here we can write like case should be 4, and now here we can write like print and print case is 4, and now here we can write the case should be right like that, and here we can write like print should be x. But there are catch which I didn't like to mention, like I will be run it. So here we can see I will be go to the here, and now it will giving the identify the outer identify. So I will be case, I will be space it, and now we can run it. So here we can see the enter the value of x. I will be write the enter the value of 20. Sorry, here we can go, and now here we can run it. Sorry, space it, then run it. And now here we can go, and now here we can write like my run it. I will run, and then I will be write like 20. Run. Here's the value of it is coming like 20. Yes. So now, first of all, I will be tell you one thing like, and the catch is I for a common for languages like C or C++, then you must know that there are break statement in those languages, okay? Those languages are break statement. You are match a case. If so, it that used to break use break statement. You are coming from C or C++. You might know. Oh, and if Python your first language, actually this is the case of most of the viewers. And but chance if you learn C and C++, remember that it is compulsory use break statements here. In those languages, compulsory for use break, which let's suppose if there are 4 cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, and the code of case 4 will be also found, but if the break is case 3, they are nothing like in Python. So whichever case matches, only that code will be run. You should know this. Okay, now let me tell you some maximum things you must know. You must know. Okay, so now I will be tell you like that easily. So now I will tell you like easily as that, and then 0, and I will be tell you this whole thing like easily as what is that. And okay, so now let's move to the another. So here is coming. I will be write like 0. So it is coming like the x is 0. Here you can see it. Now let's do the move to the another thing what I will be telling. If you're coming from a C or C++ or Java like language, you must have a heard of this, okay? And now if your first language, which we will talk about this, and I have written a match statement compare a given variable's value to different shapes or refer to as a pattern. The main idea is comparing a variable with all patterns. So these all the patterns, case 0, case 4, and case will be. Now you can also use if else here. Okay, so for example, I take 4 cases for default case. Like here we can and copy it, and I will be copy it and copy. And here we can paste, and we can will be paste. And now here we can go to the here, and now here we can erase, and here we can enter. And now like here we can go, and here we can write like we can write like if x should be like that, should be 90, and now here we can erase it. And now we can erase it. Sorry, not erase it. Here we can write like print x, comma is. Sorry. Here we can write like x, comma erase it. And now we can clear. And now here we can erase it. And now here we can write is not. And now it's not. And now here we can. And it's not 80. Here we can give it's not. 90. So now I will give like that, and in this here we can write like case will be that, and here first of all we can write like x, comma like is not 80, and now I will go, and here we can write like if x will be like here we can go, and here we can write like 80. And now 80, and now let's suppose I will be write like here I will be go, and now here we can write print x, okay? And now here we can write easily it's like that. And I press the and here we can go, and here we can run it. And now here we can write like 56. So here is the 56 is not 90. 56 is not 90 because the case has made it. So that's all rest of cases will be ignored, okay? Easily as it will be ignored. They matched 1. So that's all. Now I do the same for this xi 80. Let's suppose if the I will be run it, and now here we can write like 80, and now we can run it. So here is the right. Here is coming like the 80 is not 90. Make sure the ripple you are creating must be a Python 3.10 template will be updated to Python 3.10. Okay, so now I will be telling you, but till then you are use template as I guided in case you are using Replit. This is not available of VS Code. I am telling you. If you are download Python 3.0, and if you are old version of Python, then you have to update it, okay? Okay, so now I hope you can getting all these points, and you can run this program by default. You do find this, and you and look, default gate will only match it if the above cases were not matched. Okay, easily I will tell you. So you are familiar there with else if you, so you can and take it kinda else. So I hope you understood these things and they are crystal clear to you. That is for you, and you have not accessed my playlist, so please access my playlist and bookmark my playlist and see my all videos of first to end. So now I will meet you in next class and next very amazing class. So I will meet you next class for today. Goodbye.